Hello, Just Jax here and welcome to my channel. Today we're going with the UV resin. Let me get it ready. And combining molds. So I want to try make perhaps like a little key ring or a pendant. And I'm going to combine this little dinky teddy bear mold with, I had a look at all of them and I think this one would be best to give us plenty of playroom. So he's going to be like a bit of a relief result. So I was thinking of doing a black background. Now I'm hoping, because I'm doing it really thin and this is a clear mould, that'll cure fine. I did do some little tiny black versions of these and they set absolutely fine. So I'm quite confident that that'll work. Then add, wherever I put them, some subtle flakes. Now I think I'll do that on the black, so I'm just going to have them resting on the top, so that'll be all on that layer. And then the layer after that is just going to be clear, but I have to have him ready to pop in there. So we're going to do him and the background first. They need to both cure at the same time, so when it comes to putting the layer on, he'll be out ready and we can position him. I've got a measuring cup here because I'm going to try, because I'll be using this for other ideas throughout the day, mixing up a fair amount, but obviously I'm going to cover it and put it aside so the UV light doesn't cure that. So I want to be able to use that again for other ideas for another, well, later on in my day, but another day in the YouTube world. So let's just do it. Let's give it a go. I've also got cocktail sticks for stirring purposes, and I'm hoping if you just pour in, and I'll probably need to use those to spread it around a little bit. And where are we? We'll put you in that drawer or that drawer. That drawer. Torch. Blow the bubbles out of, because I think there may be bubbles given that I'm going to have to stir this. So let's do that first. Let's get a respectable amount in there. And we will flash forward at this point because this is going to take quite a little bit of me just squeezing the bottle. I'll only be adding 1 or 2 drops of the black, then I'll stir it, then we'll be back. Yes, and before I get to that point, all I do with the teddy bear is just keeping him simple. I'm going to brush in a little yellow mica powder. And just like I say, keeping him simple. I may or may not add some detail to his face after he's cured. We'll see. So that's the plan. Right, let's have a look. I'm not doing anything with that one just yet. It's looking rather pretty. This one feels like it's cured absolutely fine. We know Teddy works because we've done it in the past. Cute little Teddy. So sweet. We might do something to that nose. We'll see. So what we're going to do, bring it down just a little bit, is I'm going to put clear in there now. So again, we'll fast forward at this point because this is going to take a good minute or so of me just dribbling. Alright, we should all be cured. Let's see what we got. Yep, lovely and cured, no sticky bits whatsoever. Oh, it looks very cool from that side as well. Look at that. But yeah, that's going to be the actual front. How cool has that come out? That's come out so cool. Our little super sparkly teddy. And those flakes are really pretty. Really pretty. Inside there. Oh, little Teddy busting out. Oh, I don't think you'll be able to. Oh, yeah, you can. Look at that, where he's sort of like partially sunk in. That's so cool. Well, that was worth doing. It's given us a whole new wave of ideas of things to try. So I wanted to try having things sort of coming out of the resin rather than just working totally within it. And that has come out so nice. And I like the contrast as well, because with the mica powder, he's like a bit of a matte finish, but then you've got like this super shine of the background. That's really cool. Oh, ideas. Let me know what you think. Do you like this? A couple of bubbles here or there. That's okay, because they're surface ones, so I can deal with those. Apart from that, I don't think that I can see there's any bubbles inside, which is amazing. How cool. So sweet. I like as well that from certain angles, yeah, you can see the flakes shine through him. Well, that was definitely worth doing. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking me and my channel out. I do hope you've enjoyed this. Hope it's given you some ideas. If you're new to resin, I'd imagine if you're old to resin, you've already tried these sort of things. But it's still always cool to see what people come up with and where they have successes and where they have failures, even if you know what you're doing. Thank you all so much for your suggestions and your tips and your tricks and helping me along the way. I'm getting better. It's so cool. Such an exciting world to be a part of. And that is so clear. Yeah, you can see. Even though it's black, you can see how clear a cast that has come. And how far I've come. We'll have to do a reflection day one day. So I've been keeping, so far, all the bits that I've done. Eventually I'll be selling them and gifting them and so on and so forth. But it'll be nice to see a reflection of where I started to where I've come now. To where I've come now, to where I'm at now. How far I've come. Well, like if you like what you see, comment if you've got something to say, and subscribe if you really like what you see and you want to see more and know when it's coming. Thank you all again so much. Take care and see you in the next one.